All right, guys, 2008 Lexus IS F 5.0 V8, beast of a car. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, secondary converters there. Then it wised into a single. He left the resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud. But then we did a rear muffler delete there. Wise out, you know, here. Did a rear muffler delete there and there. And then, you know, the ISFs are signature for the tips out the back, angled like that. So put some custom tips on it. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that sexy look. We changed that into a carbon fiber one. Looks really nice. And there's the two factory mufflers that were on it that we cut off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 13 BMW M5. He brought us an M6 2 weeks ago, and now he brought us an M5. And then 2 weeks later, he's gonna bring us an M3. What we got done on this beautiful beast. So it's got the Evolve high flow cats up there on each side, right beside the motor. Then 3-inch pipe, 2 factory resonators right there, factory X pipe right there. Then continues 3-inch pipe over and out, all over this contraption all the way around. And then we added 3-inch pipe instead of the 2 mufflers there and right there. And he brought his own tips. And we put them on quad tips out the back. There'll be a link for the tips in the description. Right there and right there. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off. There and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, got a 2015 Chevy SS. Factory converters there and there. Down. True road from the factory. There was a resonator there we took out. Put 2 pieces of pipe in and 2.5. Continue into the rest of the system. And then it goes back into his stock mufflers there. And there. Out the back to the stock tips right there and right there. It's clean. There's the old resonator right there. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Exhaust Addicts. I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching. The customer's in this car. He's gonna redline it. Yes. For us. Muffler delete. Lexus ISF. Go ahead. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. One more. 106. Bro, we need to get rid of that resonator. To me, it's quiet. Yeah. Go ahead, rev it. Don't you think it needs more? It could do, yeah, see? It is definitely deeper. And here it is without redlining, right at 98. Go ahead and back it out. Still a sexy car though. Quick too. Lexus IS F. Sounds good. Let you guys hear on that? He's got to put it in his sport mode for us, guys, so you can get a better sound out of it. It's got that bar bolt now. Yeah, that's so much better, dude. Here's sound decibels. Yeah. Yeah. 114. This sounds so mean. Beautiful. Go ahead and back it up. M3 next. I think the M3 is your This sounds so much better. Look. Let you guys hear.
You guys hear it on the inside?
Give us a good launch. Let's see. What was that?
Still extremely quiet on idle too. 2015 Chevy SS resonator delete.